as long as what the value is of the property. Remember I told you, what is the value of the property? What is the value of the property? There, you don't care. You're not gonna, if you don't wanna rehab it, don't rehab it. Just call a local realtor and say, I wanna put it back on the market.
Call me.
Okay?
Try the best, call me.
So if you go here and you go to realtor.com,
I'll put on a sermon list for you.
okay? Realtor.com, and I went to Cochise, C-O-C-H-I-S-E, Cochise County, Arizona. Okay? So then when I went there, and then this is a property we just closed yesterday. And relevant listings. This was a mobile home. And a mobile home, I own the land and the mobile home. Okay? The land and the mobile home. And she took it off, so it's no longer in the market. All right. So this is realtor.com, Cochise County, Arizona. All right. Small town. I bought this property, small town, mobile home, land, and everything. Okay. I bought it for $1,000. Paid attorney fees, $3,000. Attorney fees. Bought it for $4,000. Put it right back on the market for $20,000. Did nothing to it. Zero to it. Okay. Just closed on it. Yesterday, they just wired the money. Didn't make a lot, $15,000. Okay, minus that. So I made $10,000 profit. I do that all the time.
Did you have to go there?
No.
Well, there you go.
The realtor did. I mean, I have to go there.
I'll send
I have to
someone
go
else.
there at the very beginning when I want to buy it.
Right.
Yes. Okay, I did. All right. Because remember this one.
Because it was in person.
No, this was online.
Oh.
But I went there because I wanted to make sure I was going to foreclose on the property. Because remember,